Hi, so let's talk about what is new in skincare, that is peptides. So, peptides are the newest in skincare, and today we are going to decode whether they are good, whether they are bad, and what's making them so famous.
Can copper peptides replace retinol? In the skincare industry, the new buzzword is the natural Botox, copper peptide. In this video, we will share a few pointers about this new ingredient that is finding a place in most popular skincare products, the copper peptide.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anindita Sarkar, and this is in continuation of discussing popular skincare ingredients. We have earlier done deep dives on kojic acid, salicylic acid, and today I want to discuss the role of vitamin A in skincare.
So, hi, I'm Dr. Riddhi Gulati, and I'm a cosmetologist. I practice in Gurgaon, and today I'll be decoding peptides. So, peptides, like the name suggests, these are short chains of amino acids. So, what are these amino acids? Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. That means they form the micro unit of the cellular levels. Now, this got a little complicated. Let me decode it for you. So in our skin cells, we have some cells called as fibroblasts that produce more collagen. So like collagen, you've heard, this is something that forms the basic unit, and it adds suppleness to your skin, it adds youthfulness to your skin, it adds firmness to your skin. Basically, it is the main anti-aging ingredient that our skin already has inside us. Now, as we grow old, every year we lose around 1 to 2% of collagen. Especially after the age of 30, be it men or women, we tend to lose collagen more. So now all the anti-aging creams, the skincare regimes that we give you, they are focused towards building this collagen more. So one of the very good ingredients that has come up in the market is something called as peptides. Now these peptides, they not only stimulate collagen, so there have been a lot of lab research and studies that have been done on them. And it has seen that when we put this peptide on the fibroblast cell, it starts proliferating, like it starts multiplying. So like the fibroblast is multiplying means it's making your skin more youthful and making you more attractive and more supple. So fibroblast activity is increased by these peptides. Number two, they are very moisturizing in nature. So when you are getting a lot of skin treatments like peels, like lasers, like Morpheus, MNRF, or even injectable treatments, we want to put something inside your skin post-treatment which is actually going to increase the collagen again. So what do we do? Once the microchannels are created, we put some peptide on your face. In the night care also it can be used because our skin is like a membrane wherein things can go in and out. So we want to put peptide inside your skin, again to give you a beautiful anti-aging effect. So now how to incorporate this peptide inside your skincare regime. So basically peptides work best when applied in the night time, and they can be used as repair creams. So by repair creams, what I mean is that start doing skin cycling. Like you apply 2 actives on 2 consecutive days, and on the third day you can apply a peptide. Now alone peptide would not be enough, you need to apply a peptide and then put some moisturizer on top of it so that the peptide gets sealed. Now these peptides can be applied maybe 2 to 3 times in a week, but you do not really need them every day unless recommended by your doctor. See, peptides come in 2 formulations, it can be matrixyl or copper peptides. Now there have not been very long-term studies on them, so we recommend that you keep the frequencies a little less because copper can be damaging in the long run. So I would just say 1 to 2 times or 3 times in a week is more than enough and is a completely safe dosage. So you can use it post your skincare treatments and along with your other products, and try to incorporate this in your skincare. You are totally going to see a change. Also, a very commonly asked question is that can retinol be replaced by peptide? See, retinol is the gold standard drug for anti-aging. It is one vitamin A derivative which works beautifully on anti-aging, and it works on fine lines, wrinkles, and it has been in the market for a very long time. So I wouldn't say that it's going to replace it, But yes, it can be used along with retinol or as an alternate. If you are allergic to retinol, then you can definitely use it.
Can copper peptides replace retinol? In the skincare industry, the new buzzword is the natural Botox, copper peptide. In this video, we will share a few pointers about this new ingredient that is finding a place in most popular skincare products, the copper peptide. So what's a copper peptide? A peptide is a small chain of amino acids that help in directly building up your collagen and elastin, which are the two natural proteins found in the skin. Copper peptides in particular has been found to fade away lines, to reduce open pores, and it is also known to reduce inflammation, thereby helping with conditions like rosacea, eczema, and other dry skin conditions. We have covered these skincare concerns in other videos, and you can find the link to them in the screen below. So as discussed earlier, copper peptides are doing pretty much the same thing as a retinol. So how do we choose between the two? So can copper peptides really replace retinol? So they are the two important anti-aging ingredients in most skincare products. Copper peptides are doing the same thing as retinol, but they have a different mechanism of action. They are directly working on the protein molecules, the elastin and collagen, whereas retinol works more by exfoliating it. So for people who want to go the slow and steady way, copper peptides is actually a safer and more long-term solution. If we want to get anti-aging effects fast, retinol is a better option. It's a vitamin A derivative. Retinol is known to cause sensitivity and irritation in many people, thereby making copper peptides a much safer option and a great alternative to retinol for anti-aging. If you want us to do an article on whether retinol is suitable for Indian skin, do leave retinol in your comments below and we'll do a deep dive in our next section. The key difference between copper peptide and retinol is in the nature that they are derived. Copper peptides are small chains of amino acids and retinol is a vitamin A derivative. When it comes to a skin type which is suitable for both, the one thing that goes against retinol is it is not recommended to be used in damaged, sensitive skin with impaired barrier function. And this is where copper peptide actually comes in, because it actually helps to regenerate the compromised barrier repair of disturbed skin. The use of copper peptide can be started much earlier than retinol, which is traditionally considered a late 35s to 40s age group for us to start. However, copper peptides, because of its preventative aging, it can be started way earlier. Coming to some combinations of copper peptide serum, copper peptide standalone is powerful enough to give you the anti-aging benefits. It can be made more effective and powerful by combining it with hyaluronic acid. Avoid combining it with retinol or vitamin C and niacinamide, especially when you are beginning to use the serums. Here's a list of a few copper peptide serums that you can use. The IS Clinical Copper Forming Spray and the Nutriderm Copper Peptide Serum. Both of these are available at the clinically store. And the other three are Clayco Ginseng and Copper Peptide Serum, Ordinary Copper Peptide Serum, and the Revena Derma Sciences Copper Peptide Serum along with hyaluronic acid.
Hi, I'm Dr. Anindita Sarkar, and this is in continuation of discussing popular skincare ingredients. We have earlier done deep dives on kojic acid, salicylic acid, and today I want to discuss the role of vitamin A in skincare. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin which is mainly known for its role in vision, reproductive health, in boosting immunity, but it has a significant role in skincare and skincare products as well. So what does it do and how is it important for skincare? So vitamin A and its multiple derivatives, retinol, retinaldehyde, retinoic acid, other retinoids, they are all popularly thrown around names in the skincare products and prescribed widely for a huge range of conditions like acne, acne scars, pigmentation, and anti-aging. These derivatives mainly work in multiple pathways on the skin, so they promote cell renewal and cell regeneration, they help to exfoliate, they help to reduce the oil production, and to improve the texture of the skin. Retinoids are useful in treating acne, in improving the comedones, in exfoliating the dead skin leading to blocked pores, so very useful as a nighttime product. Retinols in different percentages ranging from 0.25% to 1% to 2% is usually used in anti-aging. It promotes cell renewal by exfoliating and removing the dead skin on top, and it is very useful to maintain an even skin tone and reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, thereby proving to be one of the most important anti-aging ingredients that is available to add in skincare products. A word of caution while using retinols is retinols are usually nighttime uses. Sun protection is a must the following morning. Sun protection and hydration, since retinols work by exfoliating and removing the top layer of the skin. For people with sensitive skin who might have an unusually high amount of exfoliation, the skin could be left dry, irritated or sensitive with an improper concentration or an unrecommended concentration of retinol. So please get your retinol prescribed by your expert and use it with proper post-care, which includes hydration and sunscreen. Some of the popular retinol brands usually prescribed is the active retinol from Dermaceutics, which comes in two strengths, 0.05 and 1%, depending on a beginner's retinol and a person who is already used to a beginner's retinol. Cess Retinol, two varieties from Cess Derma, one for mature skin, one for young skin. Dermatica Retibrite and Retiprime, and Clinically Skin Renewal Serum are very popular retinols that we can start off with. I will again reiterate that while using retinol, please get it prescribed from your doctor and do not use retinols on your own, not only to know the percentage that would suit you, but also for the post-care, hydration and sunscreen. A very important factor is to also know what all ingredients you can combine with retinol. A general rule of thumb is that retinol should not be combined with alpha hydroxy acids like glycolic acid or salicylic acid. It makes a very good pairing with hyaluronic acid and ceramide based moisturizers. If you want me to talk about any other ingredient, please write to us in the comments below, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and like the videos.